Good day to you all in round 2. I hope you're all doing great. I'm here with you for the daily analysis of the XRP symbol, or Ripple, on February 25th. Yesterday, Ripple reacted to its previous low point and successfully bounced back up.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
From the specific price level of 1.3129. Looking closely at this current time frame, we can see that Ripple is still in a broader downtrend. However, with yesterday's upward move, a Soldier Ryan strategy has now formed in this particular area. This suggests a potential shift in momentum despite the overall bearish trend. In this move, the price closed within the previous lower shadow area, then collected the liquidity below that low and once again bounced back up. The specific pin bar candle formation that you see right here could clearly indicate the investor's strong reluctance to sell off this particular asset any further. And, just as we have observed before, the market price might react significantly to this key support level and begin a steady upward movement. In order to accurately determine exactly how successful this potential setup might be, we really need to analyze the Ripple charts much further. We are on the 4-hour time frame, and here too, similar to the higher time frame, the downtrend is considered the dominant market trend. In its latest move, the price effectively collected the 4-hour and 1-hour FPGs down to 1.3301, and then, in response to this zone, rebounded upwards. During its short-term upward movement, it collected another 4-hour FPG that had formed in this area, and then continued its downward path. As you can see, yesterday it also created a new low compared to its previous low. We are currently analyzing the inflow and outflow of capital in Ripple ETF funds. You can see that yesterday there was a strong positive inflow. This inflow alone cannot start an upward trend for this asset because the fear and greed index is still in the extreme fear zone at 11. Alongside these factors in Bitcoin, as the leading currency of this market, we witnessed heavy selling by the whales. In the past few days, one of the largest Bitcoin whales, who has been around since the time of Satoshi, sold $750 million worth of Bitcoin. Additionally, according to CryptoQuant, in the past 30 days, we have seen $8 billion worth of crypto assets deposited by whales into Binance Exchange. All of these factors cause the sentiment in the crypto market to remain bearish and negative, and major investors are not inclined to enter or support this market. So, at the moment, along with the short-term corrections that occur, we should mostly expect downward movements from crypto assets. We are currently analyzing the liquidity map for the Ripple asset. As you can see, in its recent upward movement, the price took significant liquidity from the 1.3894 level. And now, as the nearest buy-side liquidity, which contains a considerable amount of liquidity, we can point to the 1.4027 level. This liquidity is located above the previous high and within a low time frame FPG. And as for the key sell-side liquidities, we can refer to the two liquidities present at the previous lows. Now, we are analyzing the 1-hour time frame. Here as well, as you can see, after a new low was formed, we considered this candle as the 1-hour order block, which in the recent price movement, the price reacted to this area and moved down. Now, moving on, as a potential bearish setup, the price could once again rise and collect the liquidity above its previous high, which was around 1.4027, and after this liquidity grab, it could start its downward movement. Wishing you success and profitable trades.